one thing that was quietly announced is that enterprise can no longer pay for Claude Max subscriptions.
Cmd AI.
Think about it for like 2 seconds. Like, the API is expensive, right? I accidentally, using the new app, I was using my extra usage today and I didn't realize it, and it was churning away, and I used like $20, and like I was like, what? So I not only went over my limit, I've only got the pro plan. I've not only went over my limit of the pro plan, I then used like $20 worth of overages to it's expensive. And is this, as you said it earlier, is this the beginning? Are we seeing the beginnings of enshitification, where, yeah, they're charging their most priciest clients?
They are using the most amount of tokens, probably. These we've seen that some of these big companies are actually, they have dashboards, internal dashboards showing which devs like using how many tokens. So the more tokens you use, the better dev you are. I mean, I even see with my dev friend sometimes sending me a screenshots of, look, I ran through my entire token, available tokens in 5 minutes. Like, how did you do that? Anyway, so that with that becoming a thing, it does make sense that they try to limit that, because we know that the $200 option is roughly worth like $2,000, $2,000 to $3,000 of a token. So that's why they are limiting it. It's okay. Let's say that in a different way as well. AI is much more expensive than these companies like to admit. And maybe this is just Anthropic admitting that it is just very expensive to run these models and they cannot take all the cost in. So they're starting to charge the real cost for AI.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd AI.